guys, welcome to the GSL channel. Today's session is about the LSAT India form filling. The forms have come out and these are the process we have to follow. So the guideline starts for the program of 2023. For 2023, we will be having two exams. One will be held in January and one will be held in June. Let's start with the process of filling the January exam form. So these are the important dates which you should be aware. The registration started on 10th of November. We have till 11th of January to fill the form. The exam will be conducted on 22nd on a Sunday, and it will be a test-based center where you will go to a particular center and write the test on the computer. It is an online test. And overall, the other scheduling will be done by December 12th to January 16th. All the other like allotment and everything else. And the result is yet to be announced at when they will announce the result. When we talk about the exam pattern, duration for the LSAT India is 2 hours and 20 minutes. So we get 140 minutes in total, and they are bifurcated in 4 sections. One is analytical reasoning, one is logical reasoning. The logical reasoning has 2 parts, and we have reading comprehension English. All have 23 questions, 22 questions, 23 and 24. There is a sectional time given, that is 35 minutes for each section. Multiple choice question it is not having any other essay based questions, and negative marking is not there. Now for the secure of admission, you generally go for the Jindal Global Law School, which is in Sonipat, Haryana. And here the program offers a 5-year LLB course, and they have different LLB, that is BA LLB, BBA LLB and BCom LLB. For 12th standard, the eligibility criteria is not more than 45%. Intake depends every year, but right now they have around 300 seats, and the program fee, only tuition fee is 6 lakh rupees. For 3-year LLB course also they take the same exam. Again, any bachelor's degree with a 45% in aggregate is considered. There are only 60 seats and the admission is again same. For 3-year LLB, they also take the DU entrance score as well. And also you have to go and fill the form in the website that if you are interested in only JGLS and after the LSAT exam. When I go ahead and see the top colleges under the LSAT India, NMIMS also takes into consideration. Overall, they also offer a 5-year BBA and LLB, BBA and BA LLB course. They also need 50% in the eligibility, and 120 is the seat. Each course has 60, and program fee is 1.75 lakh for 1 year. After filling the LSAT India form, you can also go for a CLAT form if you need to get a separate admission, and they also have an NMIMS LAT, that is law admission test. That will all happen in the month of June, and you also have to go for the website and register for the exam under LSAT India. Moving ahead, what you have to go, you should go through the following points before you start the application: your name, your DOB, your email address, and whatever documents you should keep in handy are Aadhaar card, your photograph. There are a lot of apps. You have to make it into 192px to 240px. Any app can help you, or any website can help you. File format should be JPEG and JPG, PNG or GIF, and size should not exceed 2 MB. Again, those all zip filing and everything is available. The photo should also have a white or any light colored background. Okay, it should not be a very old picture, like a older picture of like what you say, like school picture or anything. And credit or debit card or net banking details for the payment of the registration fees is required. When we go, what are the steps involved? The first involvement is that obviously you have to go through the website. The website is Discover Law. If you only type LSAT, you will also find there. Here you will get an option of sign up or login. First you go for sign up, because I'm sure you are not having a login ID and password. Once you generate that thing, you will get an email ID verification, which you have to go to your registered email and file in, like send in a confirmation over there. Once you send in a confirmation, you will get a sign up page. And if you haven't received, kindly check your spam or junk folder. If you are a Gmail user, then check promotionals folder as well. Okay. Moving ahead to verification, the verification is required where it will help you to understand that which email ID you have to use when you are registering. Even if you forget in the future, it will help. You will get a email saying this, that you have to click here to open the details, and it will come from LSAT India. Okay. Moving ahead, next step will be your basic information, your name, your middle name, your contact number, your Aadhaar number, your country. Also, you will get a place to upload the file of your picture. And again, the dimensions are here also. If you can see are mentioned, please follow the instructions and you will be able to do it. Moving ahead from here, when we do the application, they will also come the package you need. So you can have your sample papers over here or any booklet if you remember required. It is optional. You can go through whichever you feel is under your budget. Moving ahead, when you finally are finished the form, you will see click on apply to access the application form. For application, you would require proper like a debit card or credit card to pay for it. And once you pay, if there is any discount, it will show. There is no extra like a code or something. If they are having some discount in the form, they will provide you. If not, you have to pay that amount. Okay. You are required to fill all your personal information like your school, your college, the language, your community, and everything eventually, which will come. Most important, remember here, you have to choose 5-year LLB. Don't go for 3-year LLB if you're not 3-year LLB student. If you are, happily go for this program as well. Application has 4 parts: application information you required, communication detail, pay, and education qualification. You might be required to upload documents, so keep all the documents very handy. Now, if you have any special needs, if you are belonging to any special category, please have that document also ready. If you don't require the document right now, maybe in the admission procedure you need it. If not, then just you can go for the next one. Okay. When you move ahead from here, you will see that they will ask you to put in information of your address and other things, which you can put and update it if you need to change it a little, and then move ahead. Moving ahead to the application form, that is 5-year integrated law program. You will be going through the information. You can check here if there is everything finished, and then continue and review the whole form once. Please do it mandatorily so that it helps you. And then we can move to the step 5 of payment, where you can pay through a bill desk. A GST will also be there, and if you have a GST number, you can later claim that GST like your parents' GST. Make sure you have clicked all this, read it for sure, and you can do save and next also. Once your payment is done, make sure you use a very safe way of payment, okay? And you have your cards and everything handy, and OTP will come and the payment will be successful. Your order has been received, so you will get all the information, that is your registered number, your transaction ID, everything in your registered email ID also, so you will not face any problem. Okay. When we talk about the education qualification, they will ask you your grades and everything else. Please make sure you fill exact grades. Don't do it average by 5 or by 6. Don't do all that. Whatever it says correctly, you do that. If there is any problem in formatting, you can get in touch with your nearest center. I don't think so it will create any issue, but please fill in all the information correctly. Take your time. Don't be in a hurry. Okay. Highest education level achieved is when you are appearing for the 12th standard. If you are a graduate for your 3-year course, you can put other. 12th status also, you will be 90% of you will be putting up appearing. and marking scheme will be marks or points, so you can put according to that. If there is CGPA or something else, please go for a CGPA converter and you will get the scores. Moving ahead to the final confirmation, this is how it will look like. Everything will be completed, and then you can also preview and edit if you want to. If not required, your form is filled. Thank you so much for being listening to this. All the best for your LSAT India. Please go to our YouTube channel as well to subscribe for the 3 initiatives we take, that is Ignite, Insight and Initiate. In Ignite, you will see all the lawyers across India coming up and sharing their stories. In Insight, we go through the colleges and talk to the students, and Initiate is about the form filling and other process which we follow under the IMS YouTube channel. Also, for other information, you can also visit our Instagram page, you can go through our Facebook page, and we are there on LinkedIn as well. Thank you so much.